road ahead is undoubtedly challenging. The initial cost of sustainable materials and technologies can be daunting. Regulatory frameworks may be complex and restrictive. And additionally, there is a persistent misconception, I believe, that sustainability compromises efficiency and profitability. These obstacles, however, are not insurmountable.
We have been encouraged to see interest in ESG and eco-friendly building materials surge, and with it, recognition that the shift towards sustainable construction demands a unified effort across all sectors. At YTL Cement, we are actively engaging in multilateral collaborations to drive this change. The math is simple and the numbers are staggering. If we are committed to using only low-carbon cement and concrete in all of our construction projects, we can cut carbon emissions by up to 60%.
Even smart cities, there are over 20 the cities is starting, and then the building and the steel, the two smarter and smarter and smarter. But half of them locations by the sea. So I want to say that we have to focusing on how to harmonize with marine ecosystem.
Precast technology. At the end of the day, the site very clean, very tidy, lesser number of workers, and the quality of the end product very acceptable. Very minimum complaint from the purchaser. And very importantly, no higher cost.
Sustainable construction is no longer a choice, but rather a necessity. The imperative for Malaysia to embrace sustainable construction practices is clear. Our mission is to reduce our ecological footprint while promoting economic growth and social well-being. Sustainable construction must become our standard practice to ensure our planet's long-term health and prosperity.
There are lots of concerns, especially when we talk about incidence of cancer. So we want to make sure that any materials that we use in our construction will not start to emit these harmful levels of VOCs that can potentially have implications on our health. And next, on durability. Durability is very important, not only that it's for asset protection, but it's also important when we talk about sustainability, because when a material can last, when a property can last with minimum maintenance, that's also one way for us to reduce embodied carbon and also reduce operational carbon.
Basically, when you do projects, I believe, the first thing that you want to do is to decide whether you want it to be green or not. For 118, we had decided from day one that we want it to be a green building. And as of January this year, we have been certified LEED Platinum. So, and in the company of LEED Platinum in the world today, we have Taipei 101 and also Bank of America building in New York.
When we talk about BTS, better than sustainable, is the point that we shift the curve. Currently, what we are working towards is right center. That's being sustainable. But as I said, this is no longer good enough. We need to pursue strategies, approaches, leverage on people, innovation, technology to push it where our product, our development starts to restore. It helps to mend, it helps to heal, and this requires leadership and actually a bit of humility from us.